Oh shit. Yo, what's up everyone? It's ST here, and today I am out riding again. I'm going into town to do a couple stuff. So I decided why not ride a Supermoto, so I can make a motovlog at the same time. So let me think about it. Should I keep this angle right here, or should I put it next to my helmet, like on the side so you can see the side of my helmet? Before I didn't like that angle, but it's really been growing on me. And let me know if you guys like that one or this one more. I mean, this one I thought it would look a bit better, but I think the other one will look like a lot better. So let me know that in the comment section. I might switch that sometime. Our fall is coming up. I mean, I'm kind of excited about fall. I mean, like, I love the feeling of fall, but you know, still, it's like, I don't know. Fall is not that fun because it's gonna be cold riding. It's gonna get wet and everything, but I just like the feeling of fall, and I mean, it's just super nice. Fall is one of the best seasons of the year. But this summer has been amazing. Let me know what things you have done this summer. Have you just been chilling, hanging out with friends, or have you been trying to achieve stuff like work hard or trying to learn new things? For me, this summer has been really interesting and really fun. One of my best summers ever. Didn't do that much riding, but been having a lot of fun riding, making videos for YouTube. I have been, what more have I done? But yeah, I learned gainers. I've learned to do clean backflips and also gainers. Gainer, for you guys that don't know, is you run up, you jump forward and do a backflip. I can show a clip right now. Yeah, that's a gainer right there for you. Super fun. And I don't know if I'm on the right road because I don't really know. Maybe we're on the right roads, but I love gainers. I have been doing huge progress on my wheelies. I still got the restricted CDI box, or ECU as some people call it. So therefore it's kind of hard to get it up because the ignition cuts off and gets no power. Holy shit. That's why you should be focused on riding. Oh. How did I not crash right there? Like, that was impressive actually. I'm impressed by myself. I attempted to crash over the smallest things ever, and then I scratched it a bit. A couple scratches. Nothing too bad actually, and my arm, yeah, not too bad. It is like a new Challenger back there. That's pretty cool, white with black stripes. So I think it's right up here. I'm not exactly too sure where it is, but I think it is right here. There you go. Let's get it. This would be a pretty cool place to do stunts on. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what this is type of building, but it's like a nice stunt block right here. Oh, good to know. Good to know. So I just had dinner, I've done all the stuff I need to do, and it's time to head home. And that's a quick thing, under here is my battery, and it was so close, like the positive was laying against my chassis, and that could have ended up in my bike catching on fire. Oh, look at Volvo limo, that's pretty cool, right? But that wouldn't be cool if my bike would have caught on fire. Well, it will make a cool video, but I mean, my bike wouldn't be here, so I couldn't make any more videos, so I'm gonna take a quick lap, and then it's time to head home. And look, it jumped! Hey, you got some air. Oh shit, that Stoppie was high. Well, I'm getting there. It's just so cool because when you spend more time on your bike, you learn how to drive and how you can get air and stuff, and you know how to control the bike when you're about to crash. So that's pretty cool, right? The more time I spend in Stockholm, which I thought was super cool, it's now like I really enjoy being here on the countryside. This is a little town on the countryside as well, so I really like this place. Like, this is a perfect place to escape from the police. I mean, just like the police car can't go here, so look, an 8-tractor. It actually works with a restricted CDI box. Yes, that's just me breaking it down. This is a pretty cool stunt spot, right? And if I drove a stunt bike, I could just escape. Pretty cool spot, right? I think it's dope. I really enjoy this spot. Like, if I didn't live so far from here, this will be one of my go-to spots. Supermoto, because you can go anywhere you want. And this is also another good spot, like good drift spot. As you guys can see, people have been, you know, having fun back here. Sounds so goddamn good, bro. Probably not on camera, whatever they say, but it sounds good nevertheless. Wait. I didn't even hit record. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more motovlogs, edits, anything like that, make sure you absolutely smash that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I post edit and motovlog every single week on Friday, 9 p.m. Swedish time, which is 6 p.m. UK time. Every single Friday I try at least post a new motovlog or edit. And yeah, if you haven't, or if you want to see more videos like this one and you don't want to wait till next Friday, make sure you browse the channel and maybe consider subscribing after that. But yeah, now we're going on that rant for a long time. But yeah, let me know which mount you want to see, this mount or the one on the side. That's been it. It's Video Boy Entity, and until next time, stay awesome, be positive, and I'm out. Take it easy. Peace!